welcome again to Paloma Piano. Today's lesson is going to be about time signatures. If you look at your music, at the beginning there are some numbers right next to your treble clef and your bass clef. Right at the beginning of the piece, you usually see some numbers, and they usually look like this. There's a 3 over a 4, or maybe there's a 4 over a 4. Sometimes there's other things like a 6 over an 8. But let's just count on the first two today. At the very beginning, all the pieces you learned had this number at the beginning, 4 over 4. And this time signature, which we write like this, the top number tells us how many beats are in a measure. So there's 4 beats in each measure. That means that we could fit 4 quarter notes or 2 half notes or a whole note, because the bottom number for fourths, or a fourth is a quarter, tells us which kind of note gets the beat. And it's usually the quarter note that gets the beat. So 4/4 in a 4/4 measure, you would always count to 4. Sometimes, however, we see a 3 on the top, and that's going to be a little bit different because the quarter note, the bottom number, is still going to receive 1 beat. But the top number is going to tell us that there's only 3 beats per measure, and that changes the sound of the song. And usually a waltz or a minuet or different kind of dances would be in 3/4. So you can see that this is 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3. So it's a little bit of a different feel. So pay attention to your time signatures at the beginning. Later in the Paloma program, you'll learn about 6/8, and that actually has the 8th note receiving 1 beat, and there's 6 beats to a measure, or it even could be 3 beats to a measure. But right now we're going to concentrate on the 4 on the bottom, which tells us that the quarter note gets 1 beat.